What's up, y'all? What it is? I'm DJ,
I'm Kia.
and we finna eat this seafood or whatever.
Um, we were supposed to get king crabs, but we got them too late, so all we could get was crab legs.
Yep. How y'all day going though? How y'all feeling today? We feeling mighty good. You know, we matching. It ain't that sun outside, but we feeling it on the inside. You know.
Right. And I made some sauce. I tried to make some of B-Love sauce, but we're gonna be asking each other questions. Kind of like what's our birthdays and stuff like that. We ain't gonna tell y'all whole week though.
Oh yeah. So, well, let me tell y'all how I met this Buddha right here. You know. Well, I mean, we was out. I already inboxed her, whatever. You know, but she ain't take me back. So we kind of like from the close by the same area. So I saw, you know, we kind of like we do
Where we
country
met
stuff.
at?
We met at the Zydeco in Natchez, Louisiana.
Yeah.
We met at the Zydeco. I saw her. She ain't really paid me no attention. Then so after the Zydeco of
What
the
else?
band,
What else I seen? What else we seen each other at?
we seen each other at Southern Soul. Well, she seen me.
No. See? Oh, wow.
I'm just playing, y'all. But when we first really said something to each other, it was after a Zydeco. Everybody went to IHOP or whatever. If y'all don't know what a Zydeco is, like a concert for country people. It's like
Who was there? Chris
dance.
Otterwayne?
Chris Otterwayne, yep, Chris Otterwayne was there.
Mm-hmm.
So we met there at IHOP. She was like, I think I told you, hey, then you like, can I take a picture with you or something?
Yeah,
And
I was like, come
yeah.
take a picture.
And then she was like, and I was like, you gonna post it? And then she was like, yeah, I was like, we gotta be best friends. Then it was something good. Look, you gotta talk to
It
me
was.
about that.
I ain't always talking. Yeah, it was something like that or whatever. Then we became friends. After that, then we started going together.
Yep. And now she's soon to be my fiance, y'all. So y'all stay tuned for that. 'Cause we might be having some bigger, some big stuff after that. We might not even be down here. We might be traveling somewhere. So.
Yeah.
So what you want to do? Want to get started, baby?
Sure. And I cook everything, y'all. So.
Yeah, I was outside dealing with the horse domain and stuff. So she gonna be in the kitchen. Yeah. She all right.
Matter of fact, he hurt my horse, and I'm over here looking, trying to see what she ate now.
Her feelings hurt. She'll be all right.
Okay. What you want to try first?
You want to start with a little something small?
Sure.
Devil leg, then. Right. I'm gonna try your sauce, baby. See what you're working with.
Yeah.
You put it, whatever you want to put it in.
Yeah, put it right there.
You go first, baby.
Oh, I don't want all that.
Uh-oh. What it taste like, baby?
Like a devil leg.
No, I'm talking about this sauce. Pretty good, baby. So what's all in this sauce?
Oh my God.
Tell you ingredients.
It's different ingredients. I kind of tried to remake B-Love sauce, but I had some of the stuff, so I just made do with what I had in the cabinet.
It's good, baby.
Thank you.
I like it. Y'all, she was rushing me, y'all. To hurry up and come in the house.
Right.
I'm gonna gotta be up for y'all. This sauce is good though, baby, for real.
You remember that sauce we had at Shell Shack?
Yeah. That's basically what it is. Yeah, I think they're a little thicker though.
Yeah.
Y'all know what Shell Shack is. It's in Dallas, Texas. Y'all should try it. It's pretty good.
Expensive.
Expensive. Yeah, it's really good though. Good, y'all.
Okay. When your birthday, DJ?
Oh, baby, you know my birthday? I'm just playing. We actually, I'm just playing. But October 12th. When your birthday, baby?
October 1st.
Libra gang.
Right.
Hey. Come on, y'all.
Yeah, I'm finna try shrimp, baby. Hell.
Oh, we got a Gatorade. You know, I get real thirsty. Not thirsty like that, y'all. I'm on thirst for her. So y'all can go ahead.
Hello.
By the way, we from Louisiana.
Yeah, Louisiana.
Can't tell y'all what city, y'all. You know how people live these days. Can't tell y'all what city. Yes, we from Louisiana though. Y'all probably can tell how we talk. We talk like down south. Y'all, we don't sound different to us, but
Probably some upstate.
yeah.
That we
'Cause I
probably
know I
sound
can go to Dallas. They be like, man, where you from? I'm like, man, I'm just like, what, 3.5, 4 hours away from you, from the city I live in.
Okay. Yeah, baby, I'm finna try shrimp.
Oh, you finna try shrimp?
Yeah.
Okay, y'all, you trying this shrimp?
It's spicy.
Oh my God. I see why you want me to hurry up. Ooh. Make sure y'all subscribe too.
Right.
You know, spread it. You know, too many people from Louisiana don't really do it like this. At least make a show.
I usually do that. We can't see that.
You can't see that.
I see it.
What's it? Shit. Oh no,
Oh
my
Lord,
bad.
baby.
It's spicy.
It is, but it's good.
Okay, I'm gonna try lobster today.
I love it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
You ready, baby? Ooh.
Yeah. You got it?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, that shrimp was spicy, y'all.
You ready, baby? Let's do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is my favorite part right here. This right here, this lobster tail. Yeah. My baby do that, y'all.
Right.
So
let's try
next,
potato.
I'm trying to try potato.
I wish you had king crab.
I know they bigger too, ain't they? So y'all, we gonna be always doing these videos though, for real. So
Of different stuff.
of different things, you know.
Oh, and I do have a lash line right now. I'm kind of promoting it, you know, wearing my own lashes right now. So literally wouldn't know what I have. So these lashes that I have on, they're different sets from the first ones I tried on. The first one was Candy Castle. These are Chocolate Mountain. So y'all just stay tuned, because they'll be out pretty soon. I'm getting everything finished. My boxes, everything. I want everything right for my customers.
Make sure y'all
No
support,
half
please.
stepping. Yeah, please support.
Please support y'all. Let us know what y'all have. We'll also support y'all too.
Right.
So, you know, we ain't like that. Just want support from other people we don't support, so.
Look at her. She's trying to come. Is she trying to come over up there?
So right now, after she get through drinking the juice, we're gonna try these little snow crabs.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I like to suck it, like everything. Before I just like to taste what I'm tasting. Or what I'm eating, I'm sorry, y'all.
And you know what we didn't do? Oh, God, please forgive us.
We didn't say our grace, y'all.
Oh,
Pray
yeah.
for us. But we were so excited to do this video.
It's barely me. These are things.
That's all I had, though. Especially, like I said, we from Louisiana and we from kind of up north Louisiana, so it's kind of hard to find certain things up here.
Right.
We gotta go really like down south, you know, to get if we really want it, all the stuff we want, y'all. So.
But
Actually, this is our first video, y'all. You know, everybody try to take baby steps. You know. Excuse me, y'all.
yeah, excuse me. My little cousin in the back, probably making some noise. She gotta eat seafood, so she gotta stand
She the producer, y'all.
far away. Then you got some questions to ask us? Oh.
Huh?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, y'all, it's real good. I'll tell you that. I promise it's good.
What's what?
It's
Crab.
Oh, it's my favorite part. I don't know what it's called, but it's my favorite part of the crab. Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
If y'all heard anything, that's my mother-in-law in the background.
I'm
That's her
gonna eat some
mother.
more lobster. Yeah.
I'm gonna
Ooh,
save my
man.
lobster for later. So hopefully she won't ask me for a piece of mine.
I'm gonna try some fried lobster tails. What you think, baby?
Yeah, I think that's good right there.
Ooh.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
This lobster is really good.
Y'all know what? You know how it's the smacking and stuff?
This lobster. This meat.
No, I told her y'all I was gonna do all this smacking, but I see why y'all be smacking. Oh, it tastes so good, y'all.
We need to
What you need to do, baby? That boy so good, you had to stop talking now. All right, you.
the pool car when we went to Six Flags.
Yep. Oh yeah, y'all went to Six Flags last weekend. It was fun.
Theory.
It was very fun.
We're thinking about going to the Saints, the Cowboys game, September 29th.
I'm trying to figure out who fan I'm gonna be. Cause I play basketball.
I'm Saints all day. Ain't no in between.
Yeah. Can't argue with that. Mm-hmm. Y'all comment what type of vacation we should go on and where. Also give us some more ideas.
Right.
That'd be very helpful. Cause Google be lying to people, y'all know how that is. It's all very good, baby, like for real.
Sounds good.
Yes, I came in, I was right in time.
Cause you gonna get left out of the.
And then y'all gonna come jump in this video, she gonna be mad. Yes.
Ooh, that shrimp got my mouth hot still. Ooh.
Y'all, if y'all don't trail ride, y'all probably don't know what trail ride is, y'all. But it's very fun. Just look up Louisiana trail. Look up Louisiana, Texas trail riding.
Look at him. Look at Georgia K. She right up there. So did you have her?
Yep.
You just couldn't do it?
You got him crazy.
She always act crazy with him, y'all.
She haven't been lately.
She come right up to me and
I'll tell you what.
well,
You put the house on, baby, all right? Yeah.
well, she really. I don't think she liked the house because yesterday when she had got loose, she was over across the street and
Well,
I had, before I even had got the house, I had went over there and I was like, Georgia, you know, she came up right to me, right up to me. And then, like, when I went back and got the house, she ran to the stalls. So,
well, I mean, the horse kind of act like you, baby.
it is my
Stubborn.
horse. Oh, yes, them shrimps are hot.
Mm-hmm. Mm. Yeah, and she's starting to make me like seafood more and more. I ain't never ate this much seafood in my life. I at least eat 3 times a week. Yep. Like I said, I don't know what this part of the crab is, but it's so good.
I'm about finished.
Yep.
I'm getting full.
Yeah.
Okay.
So y'all, we
Watch out for our next video.
Yep.
We don't know what it's gonna be on. If you have some suggestions, please let us know.
Yep. So we appreciate y'all for watching. Make sure y'all subscribe, please. By the way, I'm DJ again. This is Kia, soon to be Miss Jones. So y'all stay tuned.